Welcome back everybody to Cooking with Transition. Today we are going to be making some chocolate covered banana pops. These are going to be great because it's kind of warm outside today. So our ingredients are we need some bananas, we need some chocolate, we need the better one that's either 60 to 70% cocoa, and we need some peanuts. Our utensils today will be a couple of craft sticks. We need a knife, which I will get, and we need a burner to put our pot on that we need. We need a glass bowl, a spoon, a cup, and a food processor today. So let me step out for a second so I can go get my knife. All right, everyone, here's my knife. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to peel our banana. So you're going to go from the top, pull it all the way down to the bottom and take it off. Again, and one more time. Then you're going to put your peels in the trash again. You're going to take your knife and you're going to cut your banana in half crosswise. Very easy. Next, you're going to take your craft stick and you're just going to push it to the bottom, just about like that. And you're going to put it on a tray. Let's get our second banana. Same thing. I'm going to put it on the tray. Next, we're going to take some plastic wrap. And we're going to cover our bananas that are on the tray. Could be tricky, guys. There you go. And now we're going to take them to the freezer. All right, here's my freezer. I'm going to open the door. And guess what? We have some more bananas that I prepped earlier today. So we're going to keep them in there until we need them for this recipe. So I'm going to place my bananas with the covering on them in the freezer. And I'm going to shut the door. Okay guys, we're going to get ready to do the next part. Okay, our next step is we're going to put 3 tablespoons of peanuts in my little food processor here. Now you can chop up your own peanuts, or you can just buy the ones that are already chopped up. But I thought this might be a little bit more fun. Right? Just a little bit. It's okay if you overspill. Oops, and one more. Come on, there we go. Okay, we'll throw this back on. Okay guys, I'm going to put my lid on here. Right, this is the fun part. It might be a little loud, guys, so. Now we don't want to make peanut butter, so let's do one little one, and we are good to go. I'm going to pour them on a plate, and we're going to put them aside for later. Move my pan. I'm going to take out the blade. Be very careful. Have someone help you. And here we go. We have our crushed peanuts. Let me put this back. I'll wash it later. Okay. Our next step is we're going to take our glass bowl. And we're going to take our chocolate. We need to get it out of the package first. And we're going to break it up into pieces. Now to take off the foil. Oh, it's already breaking, everyone. And you're just going to break it into little pieces. So it's going to help it melt. So you need about 6 ounces. So we probably need just a little bit or a little more of this bar. All right, next we're going to take our pot, and I have some water in it. Not too much. I'm gonna put it on my burner, and I'm gonna turn my burner on. Okay. What we need to do is we need to let the water come to a simmer, and then we're going to put our bowl right on top. We want to make sure that we don't have the bottom touching the water. But first, we gotta wait a little bit because we gotta let this boil up. All right, it looks like our water is doing its thing. It's getting pretty heated up there. See the little bubbles? It's simmering. Now we're going to take our glass bowl, and we're just going to let it sit here for a little bit, and the chocolate is going to melt. So that's going to take a little bit of time. Look, the chocolate is starting to melt. Okay, what you need to do is you need to kind of stir frequently. Okay, so that's take a break and stir again. Look, everyone, it's all melted. Look at that. Remember to turn off your burner, okay? Now have someone help you do this. We're going to take our chocolate and we're going to pour it into this cup. Very carefully. Look at that chocolate. Okay, we're going to use our spoon to help it out a little bit. Some more in there. Okay, I think it's the best I can do. Here we go. Put this aside. Okay, now it's time to go to the freezer and get those bananas, guys. Remember, I'm going to open the door. We're going to take our bananas that are already frozen. I'm going to shut the door, and we're going to take it to the cooking table. All right. Go ahead and take off the plastic wrap. Get our peanuts ready. You're going to take your banana, and you're going to put it into the chocolate in the cup, and just twirl it to one side and then to the other. Okay. Then you're going to roll it in the peanuts. And if you don't like peanuts, you don't need to use them. And if you like a different kind of nut, go ahead and use those nuts. And put them back on your tray. Again, we're going to put them in. Roll it in those peanuts. And put it on the plastic. Roll it. Roll it back, maybe. There you go. And our last one. Yep. You can tilt the cup if you need to. And then roll it the other way. And grip off. And roll it in your peanuts. And put it on your tray. Now, you need to eat them right away, or actually, if you want, you could put them in some Ziploc bags and they'll stay good for 2 weeks in your freezer. So, does that look good, everybody? I think it does. So this is the end of our cooking group for today. I will see you next week with Cooking with Transition.